Since 1887, Miller's Oils has been a trusted name in industrial lubrication, delivering cutting-edge solutions that keep machinery running at peak performance. At the heart of our innovation is our expert lubrication knowledge that enables us to engineer lubricants which excel in applications. Our products are built to thrive under extreme pressure and temperature conditions. They extend equipment life, reduce maintenance costs, and keep your operations running smoothly, no matter the setting. But our commitment doesn't stop there. Our service begins with understanding your world, your goals, and your challenges. From an initial site survey, our technical team works with you to create tailored product recommendations and a lubrication schedule optimised for your business. We work with our customers to prevent oil contamination before it becomes a problem. We offer filtration, routine analysis, and condition monitoring to preserve lubricant integrity and extend the lifespan of machinery. Even if you're already seeing early warning signs, our predictive oil maintenance service can help you act before mechanical failures occur. Regular oil analysis is a cornerstone of predictive maintenance. Through oil sampling, lab diagnostics, and actionable insights, we help you stay ahead of potential failures, saving you time and money. Our UK headquarters houses decades of lubrication expertise. With on-hand technical support, our agile operation enables us to deliver high-performance solutions with speed and precision, which are relied upon by our customers on-road, on the racetrack, and across industrial operations. At Miller's Oils, quality and service aren't just commitments, they're the foundation of everything we do. Protecting our customers' interest is what Miller's Oils does best.